Right, good morning. Got a hair on the microphone, let's get rid of that. Look at this, blue sky and sunshine. We've had rain and torrential wind, or torrential rain and wind, or whatever way around it is this morning. Now we finished milking, it's 8:45. We're just sort of getting ready to start the day. We've done all the milking, we had a lot of calves yesterday. Yesterday was my day off. I was actually at Abby's family helping out silaging. You might have seen that video. It's 16 calves yesterday. I think that heifer's sort of setting up to calve. There's one here earlier having a little bit of a look like she wanted to. But yeah, busy day for calving yesterday. Felt bad because I wasn't here, but what can you do? Anyway, Rob and Abby, Richard and Vicky have gone off to get the dry cows, so the closest mob that need to come home, to bring them home. And what we're going to do is pick out the next 50 that are going to calve next. Sorry about the wind, by the way. So yeah, we're going to pick out the next 50, leave back here around the parlour and the buildings and that. They'll come down from there in a minute. And we'll put them through the parlour and split out the ones we want. We'll then put the ones we want back through the parlour again, so we'll put them back through the parlour and split them into the beef and dairy gangs. So I'm just going to try and get all the paperwork together, ready for when these guys arrive. Right, so here's the list of cows we want to keep. And then next to them they've either got dairy or beef, depending on what they're due to. So that's the plan, get them back, sort them out, and then we'll have some breakfast. As you can see here, the calf pens are filling up. Hey guys, 1, 2, 3 pens. And that guy was born overnight, so I brought him in this morning. There's also a heifer calf born overnight. Got my folder ready. Here come some cows. Hello, dry cows. So I've shut one side of the parlour off. Hopefully they'll all come in this side and then we'll split. What we want to keep will go back that way, and what's going back out to the field will go that way. And then we'll put them back through and do it all again. So we'll send beef that way and dairy that way or something. We have had a couple try and trick us and calve up in the dry cow field. We brought back 2 the other day that had calved up there. Hey guys, are you coming in? This cow's trying to break in this side, so I'm just going to let her in now, I think. Put the wash on it. Cowsy cows. Don't you just love cows? They are the best. Some are starting to bag up a bit, look. See if I can make a start picking some out.
Front yard now.
Come on.
On the 50 don't need you. 217 don't need you. 249.
Come on.
Lady. Keep that one.
What is it?
I didn't get all the way to the back.
No, that's okay, doesn't matter.
Relieved of my duty.
If you let those ones go, Josh, please. And then shut the gates behind them again.
Right, operation make some more calf pens. So we've got the first 10 heifers in here. Hi guys. Rob's just moving some machines. 10 more in here, I think. Is there 10 now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 10 in here as well. So that one was born this morning, and that one there. That was first thing. I got wet and cold getting that one in. And then that's the new little Skippy one that's just been born. Hey guys, are you okay? Oh yes. So we've got one empty pen here. Need to bed it up. Move the gate, but we'll make another pen as well. So if we have another day of 16 calves, we're going to need more pens. Ah yes, the sand dispenser. Top quality muck trailer here. It's got this handy little viewing hatch so you can see whether it's full or not. How good is the boy? Good trailer, this got one of these portable jacks on it. So you can put it anywhere you want to. I have no idea where he's going as well. There's a hooligan on the loose. He's going here. Perfect. Move those bags. Some sandbags to move here for the silage pit. This pallet will just roll that way. Perfect. Straw tobber, you'll be handy in the winter. That was a mass panic on where to put stuff. We don't want to block stuff in that we might need. We might not need the stuff we're blocking in, if you know what I mean. Right, the old Keenan. We've got to get some parts for this because the door is currently disassembled. Probably have to start feeding soon because it's not going to rain properly and it's only getting drier. And there's not much grass around. Right, Rob will get some bales. Bales?
Bales, I think.
Right, here we go, sports fan. Smooth operating by Rob there. Let's bed this pen up quick. Right, there's another pen made. There's a gate here, just so when this pen has a few calves in, if you have a fresh one overnight or in the morning or whenever, you can put the gate on a diagonal and put the fresh one in a corner on its own. Just until you know it's fed and it's feeding and whatever. Okay, it's tied there. Yeah, Rob's made another bay, so we'll get another gate in a minute, but I'll just bed this up quick. Right, jobbed over there. We're going to go and feed some of the dry cows in a minute, so Rob will grab some hay. I'm going to grab some mag flakes. Big group have half a bucket. Technically weighed out to within a gram of what they need. So I'll put this jumper down here, completely forget about it, probably find it in November sometime. The world's bluntest pocket knife. Whoa, plenty so. Made a mess, don't tell Rob. Right, let's go trucking. Hey, get over. Thank you, cow. Right, here's your mag flakes, girls, for the day. Don't eat them all at once. I better go give young Robert a hand with the bales. Who's going to carve next then, girls? Put your hand in the air. That would be handy to know. The wind might be going this way. Well, you're about to let him go.
What was that?
I'll cut the middle one.
Oh, if I was going to chuck it on you. I've cut that one the wrong side already. See, that middle bale will pull. Don't worry if it won't.
What way? Either way?
Your side is the one's in front of you. If it's not, don't worry. If it's not doing anything, I'll just drop them in a sec.
Yeah, okay.
If it's coming,
I reckon I can't follow it.
yeah, that's fine. Alright, everybody out.
Stand clear, girls.
Mind your head, squat the lips.
Oh, dust!
Still got a bag full of it. Is that all the rubbish? Well done, Cal.
Don't test me, Cal.
Doing your job for you. See? Holding the net paddle.
I wish they could tell us who's going to carve next, at least we know. You going to carve next? Josh's calf taxi. Hey? Okay. Yeah, that should be alright. Taxi for one calf. It's not yours, 200. I suppose we better milk her. Good cow. Good cow. Hopefully she gets a load of colostrum and it's like heifer calves and I don't know how well you can see, but there's a heifer calving just over there somewhere. We're going to leave her for an hour. We can head off and have some lunch. Just done a couple little jobs in the parlour. We had an iodine fitting that was leaking, so we've put a new one on there. And that sorted that out. And also the tap at the front was leaking, so that just had a dodgy Jubilee clip on it. We put a new one on there, so that stopped that leaking. So yeah, go home, have some lunch, come back, get the cows in, get the fresh ones in, do some milking, feed some calves. Hopefully that heifer's calved by the time we come back. Yeah, that'll be a good end to a Friday then, if that's the way it's going to go. Not quite the mental day they had yesterday with 16 calves, but you can't have that every day. Right, I've had to deploy some lights in the Land Rover so you can see me. It's currently 5:45 in the morning. It's the Tuesday after the bank holiday weekend, which means that yesterday was the planned start date of calving, and I think we've got calf number 80 on the ground already. So it's flying along. Just getting the cows in, as you can see, for milking this morning. It's 5:45 now. I've been here for about an hour already. There's 4 new calves in the beef gang to pick up after milking and get the cows in and milk them. Normally I'd try and do it before, but they're in 4 corners of the field and it would take me so long to do it. I might as well just get the cows milked, get that out of the way, and then worry about it afterwards. Everything in the main herd, so that's here, none of that is out the tank, so we can do that fairly quickly. Once we've milked the main herd, we can get the red lot in, so anything that's fresh or out the tank or whatever, and milk them, and then we'll get the 4 fresh ones out in the field in and milk them as well. Sorry that the video is a bit fragmented. I have no idea what the last bit of footage before this morning was. I actually went away over the weekend and see some family, which was nice. But yeah, busy day today. We've got some concrete coming for the slurry pit ramp, so hopefully we'll get to show you some of that. That'll be in the next video though. Yeah, calving galore. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's links down in the description to all my other social channels, as well as merchandise if you want any of that, so make sure you check that out. And we'll see you in another video very soon. Cheerio.
Like a drug that